second rather nice little box came in today, this afternoon. So it's doing my best to try and cut this open. Hopefully. Always the easiest of boxes to unpack. One of these things. Good old trusty scalpel. So, what do we have in this cardboard box? Get rid of that. Yes, and from Model Sport. Pull this out of here one-handed. I might manage it. Just set that down there and throw the box out the way. And then we get that box up here. Yes, it's an FTX Ravine. I have a few crawlers of various types, but I don't have anything that resembles this style of RC. I'm going to have to place the camera down and hopefully see what I can do about extracting this from the box. Lord almighty. That's well stuck in the cardboard. Out here. Just done that. That didn't exactly want to come out, did it? Oh, these are nice and soft, these shocks. Very nice. We got one of these crazy chargers, which I won't be using. Clips, wheel wrench, replacement servo horn adapters so that you can do away with your, what do you call it? Servo savers, if you feel that the not giving you enough response. Yes, right. This will be getting changed very shortly. I'll probably just dig out my solder now, chop that and replace it with a Dean's 1500 milliamp. Well, that can effectively go in the bin. That's no good to me. Right. Having watched several videos, what I'm actually going to do, provided there's no strain from that clip, tie that, I will bind that with electrical tape, both front and rear, because what I noticed was that on full lock, if that drifts round, it catches on the tyres. Tyres feel quite hard actually. Nice tread pattern, but a bit on the hard side. So I think what I'll do is what other people have suggested, which is undo the beadlock, pull the foams out, do the beadlock back up. God, these steering rods are flimsy as hell. I wonder, could I do? I have a feeling. I wonder if the Canyon tie rod setup would work. I need to get my Canyon out and measure it and see, because if we can get Canyon alloy arms, so if they're the same length, then I can easily buy a couple of Canyon steering links and rods and replace them. No, I think they might be too, the Canyons will be too long. But I like that. That is a really plush suspension. The body, well, it needs a repaint. I don't want mine looking the same as everyone else's, so it will get repainted. And the good thing is, with the cover film on, if I cut round the bonnet scoop and then peel the protective film off, I can spray onto that. That deals with that. That changes that. I can maybe cut strips in the film along the side, spray a different colour onto there, anything just to sort of change it from looking the same as everybody else's. It looks not bad. I can actually drive one-handed with it. But what I will do is I will see if I can get a foam wheel or something else and put it over this, because this plastic you you don't really get a decent grip on it. If you're outside and it gets wet and it starts raining, for argument's sake, you're not going to be able to control this very well. It's a nice looking little truck, I must admit. There we are. That's where the stickers are. Okay. Right, it gives me the option then of doing a complete respray. And then I can still decal it up. Yeah, that might be my best bet. Right, well, I wasn't expecting this to come in today, but it's really fast turnaround from Model Sport. They always have been very good that way. Comes up in 24-hour delivery basically. So I can see me getting this out to test tomorrow. Albeit maybe just the back green, but well, be interesting to see what I can do with this. Okay, well, as far as unboxings go, I'm not the best. You all know that, because it's not something I spend my time doing. There's a parts breakdown with this. There is kind of. Okay. Well, at least there's a decent parts list. That's fine. Okay. Right, well, just an unboxing today, as I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. So, that's all for today, folks. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will catch you all again on the next video. Bye for now.